Kindeva Drug Delivery is the only CDMO that offers multiple options to deliver drugs to and through the skin. We accelerate your speed to market through end-to-end capabilities and ensure an optimized product journey. As the inventors of the drug-in adhesive patch, we have over 50 years of transdermal experience and a proven track record of NDA and ANDA product development, tech transfers, and commercialization. We are experts in complex dosage forms, with access to adhesive and component technologies and subject matter experts. We offer both single-layer and multi-layer drug-in adhesive patches, active gel patch formulation, customizable patch design and geometries, medical and pharmaceutical-grade coatings, and topical tapes, with the ability to customize wear time up to 1 week. Our cGMP facilities are audit-ready and provide robust quality management processes and manufacturing capabilities such as automated coating lines, high-efficiency converting technology, packaging, cartoning, and serialization capabilities, finished and intermediate product configurations, and handling of controlled substances, from small batches to commercial scale. We also offer extensive analytical support across your product's full lifecycle. If speed to market and product quality are priorities, you need a CDMO that combines responsiveness, flexibility, and collaboration. Kindeva delivers this and more as a global leader in transdermal drug delivery. Find out what's possible when you combine forces with us.